Hey Squarespace users, I just wanted to show you really quick how easy it is to set up Google Search Console with your Squarespace site. So the two main things you want to do are to connect Search Console and to verify Search Console for your Squarespace site. So I have an SEO client that I need to add to my Google Search Console account. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do that and how easy it is. So the first step is to just type in Google Search Console, and it'll take you to search.google.com. So from here, if you already have an account, it'll probably just log you in right away. If you don't, you're going to need to set up an account, and you will need a Gmail email address or G Suite's email address because this is a Google product. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to click Start Now. And then from here, what we do is click this drop down. Let me move this. You'll click the drop down in the top left corner and then go to Add Property. Now, my advice here is not to just start typing in your website, because there are prefixes that are very important. So whether your website is HTTP or HTTPS, that is important. So what I recommend doing is going to the website that you're adding, that you're setting up, not in the back end through Squarespace, but through just the public live domain. And then in your address bar, just click copy and paste it here, and then click continue. Okay, at this point, we need to verify ownership of that Squarespace website. So what I want you to do is go to HTML tag. This is what I think is the easiest way to verify ownership, and it's quick. So HTML tag, click the down arrow, and then it says copy the meta tag below. So just click on this. It's grayed out, but it does work. Just click copy, and it'll say copied to clipboard. And then go log into your Squarespace account and go to the website that you're working with. And there are a couple different ways to find the code injection. You can just go to website pages and then scroll down to the bottom and go to website tools, code injection. And then here is your header code that you could just put it right there, but I just want to show you really quickly another way to do that. So you can just hit your / key on your keyboard, and it'll bring up the search bar, and you can just type in code and then see how it says code injection. And you can do that for anything on Squarespace, just so you know. Click on code injection, and now at the top, I'm just going to paste that verification code and then click save. Now, the next thing I do usually is I run over to the live site and I double check that it hasn't done anything funky to my header, because in the past I have seen when I've put in this verification code that it will show at the top, and usually that was because I did something wrong. So you always want to go check and be sure that your header still looks good. Okay, so the code's been put in. I've saved it. Now we can just leave the website. We're good. And we're going to click, being sure that we're under the HTML tag option. Now going to click verify. And the ownership was verified. So we succeeded. We have set up our Google Search Console account and connected it to that Squarespace website. So now we can go to the property and we can start getting performance over time. And something else that's good to know that you can do is in your analytics. So I'll just use my own website to show you this. In your analytics, when you have Google Search Console connected, you can now, if you go up to search keywords, it's really handy. It'll show you the keywords. So right now I just have a few days. Let's say if we do year to date, we can see the keywords that people are typing into Google to reach our website. And some of those keywords, maybe they're entering and we are showing up as an impression. So meaning that we are in the results, but they're not choosing our website. If you get clicks, that means that people are entering this keyword and they're actually clicking on your result as their choice, to go to from Google. If you only show up as an impression, that means that you are showing up under that search term, but it could be page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and beyond. And so they're probably not clicking you. So that's a good opportunity to see where you could improve, like maybe where you want to build an SEO optimized power page or service page, or focus a blog post at that keyword so that you can show up on page 1 and be the best result that people start clicking on. So anyway, that is how to connect and verify Google Search Console with a Squarespace website. And I hope that this was an easy video for you to follow. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.